Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for you who have a quantitative research project to compare means, to compare your participants' response towards the questionnaire that you have disseminated. So the first thing that you need to do is, of course, downloading your data from the Google Forms. And then the second one is that you will have your data like this way. Okay, so we have Van Helsing, Sudiro, Rimar, Gerald, Combatant, Purdue, and all of them have different gender for sure, right? We have the male and female. So suppose that I would like to compare the means of questionnaire, but it is based on the gender. Some of you might have the comparison based on the criteria, maybe teachers and students, okay, and then some others are from uh, engineering class and electronic class, for example. So we have we can do any comparison. So I give you the example here, male and female. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is that you must list who are the males and who are the females. So I codify this name Van Helsing into student 1, Sudiro, student 2, Rimor, student 3. So it will make me easier to analyze because it's a void bias. I don't know who Sudiro is, okay? And then Q1, Q2, Q3, and until Q20 or Q whatever, depends on your questionnaires statements. This is the codification of the statements. So instead of I have had experiences or I always read blah blah blah, it is for data collection purpose, but for data analysis purpose you must do codification. So codifying the statements into Q1, Q2, Q3, question 1, question 2, question 3. Okay, so then try to put them into the students 1, 2, 3. We have landscape data display here, right? We need to change them, transform them into a portrait data display. Why? Because it will be easier for us to move the data from Excel to SPSS. Okay, so how to switch the landscape into portrait? It's very easy. You can just click Van Helsing until Purdue and copy and then paste spatial transpose. Okay, right. So this one is already like a portrait that I put them landscape. Okay, so either way can do. All right, so the next one is how about the numbers? Okay, the numbers is just the same. You put here of them, copy as usual from landscape, try to make it portrait like here. Right click, paste spatial, not only clicking transpose but also values and number formats because the number has formula. Okay, so okay, ta-da, right, it's already there. So the next thing you need to do is to categorize which of them are male and female. Okay, we have colors. We can codify with colors. Van Helsing as male, we have red, maybe. Sudiro has red. Rimmer is female, we have green, maybe. Gerald is a male, then we have red as well. Combat, also red. Purdue is a female, then we put green. Okay, so next thing we can do is that we put them all together, the male and female. Okay, so we copy the male into one, copy here. Also Gerald and Combat, just copy paste without transposing or clicking paste special. It's not special paste, just okay. So these are the male, and then the female we have, okay, Rimar here and Purdue. Okay, Purdue have a more here. Okay, well, it's not completed. Alright, right, so these are the female. Next, we need to find the mean or rata-rata, rata tengah ya. Mean here equals, because in Excel all formula should be begun with equals. Equals and then type average, brackets, K13, okay. The beginning is in column K13 and then semicolon. The last one is in N13. So enter. Okay, and then put the cursor like this until you find the orange box, and then until you find the plus change into black, white into black. Then hold it up, scroll them, okay, scroll them down and you will find all of that. So you do not need to do one by one. Again, average, brackets, because it only has two. Yeah. Okay, so what we need to do is to copy this. Okay, copy it to, and now open your SPSS. Okay, all right. I think I can make a new data set. Okay, file, new data. Right, so you can find SPSS anywhere. You can download it for free or asking from your friends from statistic. They might have SPSS. So click data view and then paste the male one and then the female mean. Back to Excel, copy the mean, go to Excel, go to SPSS and paste. Okay, it doesn't really work. Copy, paste. Okay, so you will see that variable 1, variable 2, okay. Click variable view and change the name. You must remember, right? Male students. Okay, you cannot use spacing, okay? So male male students and female students. Okay, STDs, okay. Right, and then measure, scale. Why scale? Because your questionnaire has a ratio scale. And then click again the data view. Alright, so the first thing that we can do is we need to do a normality test first. Okay, so we can analyze and then descriptive, statistics, explore. Okay, let's try to find one by one. Male students first, and then click plots, factors level, stem and leaf, histogram, and normality plot with test. So those four should be clicked, and continue, and okay. Alright, this is the normality test for male students. Okay, so if the result of this value in the statistic column is more than 0.05, it means that the data is normally distributed. So means that your data or your participants fill out the questionnaire without significant bias. So what we need to do is click and copy. Prepare your Microsoft Word. Okay, so type data analysis gender comparison. It depends on what you compare. Okay, first one is normality test for male students data, and then normality test for female students data, and the last one is compare means data analysis. Okay, so for the normality test we can just paste. Okay, and now we move to the next one. Back again to your SPSS. We need to minimize this, and now we will do the same descriptive statistic, explore, go away male students, please welcome female students, plots 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue, and okay. And we are going to see this is for female students. Okay, all of the value is more than 0.05, so this is also normal. So copy and then back to your MS Word and paste to this part. Okay, next one we need to do, after all the data has been normally distributed, now we will analyze the means. So we did compare means. Okay, you have a lot of compare means. Okay, so if you have two types of participants like male and female, or teacher and students, students A and students B, we can do paired sample t-test because we need to paired. Yeah, okay, male students and female students. Okay, you can click the option. Make sure that it is 95 or 90%. Okay, and then continue, and okay. Alright, this is the t-test. You must copy all these tables. Okay, so these are the paired statistics, the means, the comparison. Okay, take a look at the means is minus. So if it is minus, so actually there is no significant difference. And is that okay, miss? That is very okay. It doesn't mean that your data is bad or something. It's just your participants represent that they do not have differences um, in um, in doing in doing willingness to communicate. Okay, so let's just copy um, all of this, all of them all, to your Microsoft Word. Okay, so you may put the table layout and auto fit to window. Okay. So you can do the rest for the last two tables in your SPSS. Okay, good luck for trying.